We're going to look at case number 7.
That's a arrow there.
Price 14. Look at that. $1,000 towards Fires and Suits at Firestone Division. How about 18? How about 18? Nice.
Oh my gosh, we have drive. I would.
What's the biggest thing you've ever won?
This thing is sick.
Not much. This could be it.
See, we can all see these numbers.
Prize number 8. $1,000 towards gas and storage from in-town self-storage, and that is both of those off the table. Piece number 8.
I like this. What's it? Oliver bought one kind of like that, didn't he? His dad's got a 85 that dropped down a little bit. I bet they were here.
But you're still alive. Prize 25. $1,000 towards furniture or appliances at Gopher Bargain Center off the table. Way down here, prize number 27. What is in the envelope? Prize number 11. $1,000 towards jewelry at J.F. Cruz Jewelers. You're not giving our banker much to do here, Ed, because we can't bring the banker in until the car's been discovered. So you just keep going. 16. You see us right there, Sloan C16. Prize 16. $1,000 product of J.J. Marine. Still alive, my friend. And no, we can't open up the house of the coming in this prize. We'll take that.
Like water.
Could it be that the car is in number 1? Let's hope not. We want Ed to win. And it is not in case number 1. Prize 19 is $250 in cash. Ed, you look like you're getting more excited here. You're not going to pee your pants on me either, are you? All right, 9.
I like this song. Look at the wheel. Oh,
Envelope or box number 9. Half of the cases are gone, and you're still alive. That's a metaphor, by the way. Still alive. Prize number 2. $2,000 towards groceries at Coburn's. There's still another Coburn's grocery on there, though. Ed, look at this crowd. They're behind you. Go Ed. Let's go Ed. Let's go Ed. Which one? 29. Was that your envelope? Is that the one you thought? No? case number 29. This could be huge.
I'll call you tomorrow for both came further.
Prize number 10 is gone. That is $1,000 towards product at Fairview Gardens. Look at you. He's becoming old pro at this now. He's like, 31. We'll take case 31. Which is interesting because it's envelope 31. That's completely random.